Hey guys, welcome back to my silly little gang. Today I want to show you this humidifier, and this is supposed to be a filter-free operation, so I am really looking forward to that, to not having to change filters. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Okay, so this is how it comes. Comes with a little savings card, the instruction manual, and some styrofoam. Remove the styrofoam, and that's what it looks like. Let's get it out of that box. Okay, oh, it's super cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has its power button and settings right here. There's also a button for the light because it does have a night light if you want to use it like that. The nozzle on the top here is a 360 degrees mist nozzle, so you can put it in any direction that you want. This is also, it's also removable. And this right here is actually where you fill your tank. So I like it because that makes filling a breeze. You just go in, you fill it in here, screw the cap back on, and then you can just put it right back on its base. Like so. So I really like that. This is what the inside of the base looks like. This is the on-off switch and settings. And this is the little button for the nightlight. Let me see if I can plug it in. So I have it plugged in just so we can see if how the nightlight works. Well, I guess you have to have it on. Yeah, you have to have it on in order to turn on the nightlight. But that's how you turn the nightlight on and off. It's a nice blue light. It's not overly bright, and then that's how you turn it on. All right. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I will leave an update of how we like it once we've had a chance to try it. And I'll link to it in the description box if you're interested and want to take a look at it. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.